obstacle suddenly fell on the windshield while driving, blocking the entire line of sight. If this situation is not handled properly, it will cause a major traffic accident. Today, I will teach you how to avoid danger in an emergency. Don't panic in this situation. First, turn on the double flash. Use the central rearview mirror to observe the distance to the rear car, and slowly decelerate. Then we observe the right rear view mirror. Check to see if there's a car coming from behind. Turn on the right turn signal under the condition of confirming safety. Slowly pull the car into the emergency lane. One thing that needs special attention is not to slam on the brakes, and don't turn the steering wheel indiscriminately. Otherwise, the vehicle will easily lose control and roll over. Have you learned it? Follow me to make a friend who knows cars.